Amba Linkin Park ya Jay-Z. Nyuma yako dutangira filime yiswe Long Justice. Nuichikwa nuri nachikwa nuri hanze nuri mindani mwese najiruchikwa Time to Party. Nyuma ya karirimbo Linkin Park na Jay-Z. Make some noise, Msakuze.
Just what I came with. 25 for bottles, 25 to make it rain with.
Mac 11, full auto, road sweeper, 1200 rounds a minute, point and spray. Ain't no subtlety when you're rapping this.
Dutangira numugabo arimo kurata imbuda ya Magnum idasanzwe ngo mukurasa yagiye kuri kandi banzize yugiye gukora akazi cyane cyane ugiye guhangana n'abandi bazifite.
5 the man stopper. Only top shot got one of these blood. Can knock a ultra brick wall by kick like a horse and ammo scarce on road.
I'm a horse ngo niyo pistol cyane yemera kurusha izindi numugabo uvuga iki Jamaica n'icyongereza birajyanira. Revolver na kayemera.
All reliable. Only old.
Iba nziza cyane kandi kaba reliable. Sasa tandatu. Irasa rimwe.
This strap won't let you down.
Ngo nucyenda gusubiza mirya kabiri. Selector Zoo L14.
Come in all shapes and sizes.
Benshi cyane ngo barayitinya revolver aragenda avuga amoko y'imbunda.
No problem for anyone. The gun that flooded the streets. Anyone call himself a gangster roller.
Izo mbunda zose ni zimwe muzikanga ku mihanda. Hanyuma kandi turazikoresha tugeze muri Amerika tugiye gukora akazi. Rolling with the Nines. Filime ni kwitangiye yitwa. Yiswe Rolling with the Nines. Kwereka dutangiye dute mwibuke neza mukanya dutangiye ari umugabo tukubwira imbunda.
Izo akunda cyane kurusha izindi.
The biggest and the best. Time served straight out of South London. Well, all right, and now people, hear this now. You see this tune? It's not released yet. You can't get it nowhere. You're gonna hear it here first.
Muruvu muziki tugiye kuboherereza n'ahandi wawukura mpaka kugira ngo ubone ubaza kuzana. Hakuno dutangiye n'abari muri studio. N'umwirabura wo muri Jamaica wari waraje muri studio y'abongereza.
Yeah, he's my regiment, yeah. But I've got to say, straight up and down, I know what you're gonna say. I know what you're gonna say. Correct.
Umuntu wari wese wagira uyu muziki rwose urawumva hasi hejuru byanze bikunze kumva ari wo wa mbere.
But trust me still, it's all about the music, it's all about time served, it's all about the...
Igihe ni gitoya rero kubw'icyo gihe gitoya tugiye kuba uyu muziki muhumva. Muziki bahita bawurekura. Bass Blackwood akarimo cyane. Bass Blackwood utangira mu rwa London. London ni mu Bwongereza irondere. Robbie G. Muziki barawurekuye. Dore mu mihanda yo mu Bwongereza kumbe hakuno hari abatwazi. Rolling with the Nines. Niyo filime dutangiye. Yes, yeah, yego, Simon Webb akarimo cyane. Ni mu Bwongereza we. Abimitima yabo ntacyo mubonye. Do, mukomeze muri aba mitima. Bambaraga. Mihanda yo mu Bwongereza. Jan Vigo akarimo cyane. Mwibuke neza mukanya tutalya ni munyabo Jamaica avuga ngo iyo bagiye kujya mu bihugu by'amahanga cyane cyane mu Bwongereza ndetse n'ahandi batizeye. Bajya kwicuruza ibyabo
2,000 copies.
Mwana namaze gucuruza amakopi nk'ijana.
Page looks like about 10 years old now.
Hashize igihe kirekire rwose iyi CD ntayibona na gatoya. Zari zaranabuze.
I ain't got no problem with that, sis.
Hey, you're funny, what do you think of that?
Niki kintu wavuga ufite?
Put a lot of fucking money into that.
You pull that fucking stupid.
Dusa n'abafite ikibazo ku mafaranga.
Reckon you're stuck with it for 2,000 copies.
Ibiruta nuko umuntu yari gucuruza n'amakopi 2,000 mu gihe gito cyane. Bari hakuno maravuga ku by'imiziki n'abasore birabura.
I wasn't even born back then.
Shut your mouth, you little punk.
Fungo mudomo wawe wa muswa.
Gonna be big.
Ntago umuntu yazagarira ku masede ngo ari yagiye gucuruza gusa azagira icyo agiraho.
Yes, so when you reckon we're gonna see some dough for this then? Money, forget about money.
Ndabyumva umuziki kandi nanone bari umuntu umwe nuko turi ikipe. Umwe aracuranga abandi bakagenda mu ikipe ye.
Shabs, cars, girls.
Kugira ngo ugire agafaranga ugomba kuba ufite amamodoka meza, ufite abakobwa beza.
Fuck you.
Batangira gutonga nabo banatukana. Byabona ibitinda barakwerekana abasore bato yari ikipe ndetse bafitemo n'umukobwa. Ikibanejeje kurusha ibindi. Barakora ndetse bafitemo umugenzi wabo ucuranga baravuga ko acuruza amakopi make ya ku masede ntabwo yabatunga. Akamogi nako bashaka gushyiramo ntabwo ari akamonyi gusa tuvuye tugaruka hakuno waruzaga muri limousine niba abasore ubwabo bafite agafaranga nubwo batemera ikipe yuzuye bafitemo n'umukobwa mu ikipe yabo Kandora ari hariya ngabo paka hejuru.
This is what I'm talking about.
Mwana ibintu byo nababwiraga kuva kare.
Don't drink no other champagne because you know it tastes like piss. Yo, waitress.
Muri uko ducuruje nakuzongera kunywa izindi nzoga atari champagne kandi tujya twicara hacu twenyine muri babashyira muri VIP muri club.
Champagne. Furthermore, not ordinary champagne. I want crystal. I don't want to drink the fuck out. I just want to throw it on the floor. You get me? All right.
I don't ushaka kuba yanywa barahari. VIP room hejuru. Barangiza ibikobwa bakabazanira agafaranga bari nako kamogi bagiye kuri. Bafite umugezi wabo urimo kuvuga iki Jamaica n'icyongereza cyo muri Jamaica kitandukanye n'ibindi.
What's going on in Bloods, eh? Yo, man, all these black folk here in the top club sipping on a Cristal. You boys is going up.
Mwana kana agatangaza kubona agabimikana twe dushobora kuba twakwicara hejuru nta muzungu twivangamo ni wa mu Jamaica.
To enjoy this shit without me.
Ntabwo mwanezezwa n'uyu mwanda jewe ntari akiraho kaburi.
You know, that shit is fucking blessed blood.
Mwana uyu mwanda w'uyu munsi wari uhambaye cyane.
Biggest and bashiest sound around town.
N'ubwa mbere umuntu ashoboye kuba yacuruza ibiyobyabwenge bikagenda ari byinshi bisa n'ibiturimo guturika mu mujyi hose. Abandi baraseka kamogi bafasha hasi hejuru.
Right near the stretch and I'm kicking in Hulk's jalopy.
Mwibuke neza ko ku mihanda dufite abandi bantu tugiye duhangana nabo. Ibiruta no kwitonda.
Strictly our test.
Kandi na polisi turimo ikirego cyacu baragifite. They are strictly on our case. Ikirego cyacu niho bari.
Because you lot are going on proper things. Everybody just grab your guns. Grab your guns. Yeah, grab.
Biruta nuko buri wese aragomba kumenya polisi iramutije.
It's going to be moon's blood.
Tugomba kureba ukuntu twakwerekera ntihagire n'umwe uzafatwa. Amafaranga bacuruje yishimo ni bwose baracuruza amasede bagacuruza n'amafaranga avuye mu biyobyabwenge. Baba muri club. Uziko barimo kurwana we ko kimusunika. Barimo gusunikana. Barimo kumusunika. Ni muri ya club imwe mu kabyiniro. Baramusunitse shaho. Kibambasi sha. Umuntu aba yicundi. Kibambasi. Kibambasi. Muziki. Urakapfa. Umusore ahita azamuka muri bagenzi be hejuru. Ntibamukaraye. Dore uyu niwe nababwira ngo uyu nguyu niwe watwaye imari iruta izindi mwana watwaye ibiro bingahe. Ibiro se natwaye hafi toni umukobwa umwe bamwatse cyo kunywa abusanze abakobwa ari kumwe n'abandi bagabo. Abari mu buryo kigabo cije mu niwe muzungu wenyine waje kubicaramo. Kwabwa nkunda abakobwa kabisa yameze nkawe. You are my favorite. Uri umwe mu nishimira kurusha abandi. Hari ikibazo mufite ariko uyu no wanjye wangu gerageza abandi. Gerageza abahandi pani wanjye.
Little man? You know what?
Mugaba muto urabizi.
Posing for 1 minute and maybe, just maybe, we could have come up with something a lot better.
Uramutse wemeye byibuze ukanyemerera nk'umuntu umwe ahari ushobora kunyumva.
Hold it down a little bit.
Oh, no.
Baba ihangane wa mugabo we buri mukobwa wese usanze anafite umugabo we.
Like big star.
Nubwo ari umukiriya wabo dore ukuntu batangiye kumureba afite umudomo mwinshi cyane. Umudomo aravuga vuga.
You guys haven't even sold 1 record yet. Fuck this. You know? Hey, what's your name again? Rage. No, seriously, what's your...
Witwa ndarya undi ati nitwa Mayireji. Uyavana icupa. Kikinura wagiye icupa mu mutwe.
Rage.
Arya ngo witwa Rage. Rage ni agatangaza iryo n'izina ndakubwiye.
Boom.
Ibintu byose ndizera ko bihe.
Alright, guys.
Urabizi ndaje. Afite umudomo shawo. Yega.
Hey, are you selling?
No, uracyacuruza se hakuno hari urimo gucuruza wabahagaze hose bari ku kabura gacuruza nandi ni mu kabari mu kabyiniro.
We want a kiss. Fuck off.
Fa hano gende wakigoryo bimurandeba iki. Kiza ku mugore wundi mugabo hakuno.
You know, I picture you in front of a log fire, lying on a woolly mat or a furry rug. You know what I'm saying?
Mukobwa muto sinizera neza kuramutse unyemeye we buretse kumvugisha kwanza kumbe umukobwa ari kumwe n'uriya musore.
Just wait 1 second, okay? I'm just gonna go and talk to him. I'll be right back.
Ngiye kujya kuvuga n'undi muntu hariye ndahita ngaruka ariko. Uwo muntu agiye kuvuga nawe nuri hakuno. Yewe ariko wagiye ureka niba ndimo kuvuga n'umukobwa mwagiye mwubaha abantu. Umukobwa ari kumwe n'uyu.
You know what I mean?
Uranze se uzi icyo sobanura.
You gotta watch what you're saying, bro. Because if you're gonna run your gums to a man like Rage, well, that's as stupid as sitting there trying to draw a man.
Jewe ndiwe ntabwo naba umuswa ngo nyine usanga abantu n'abaza nyuma nangira mubuke mbavugisha. kuko byakubana bibi.
Now, I suggest you go home,
Uranganga se?
sleep it off,
Umva nkugiriye inama vana utahe
before you say something that's going to land you in a hole.
wiryamire ku bintu bitari byakuzambana. Udusanze hano cyasinze.
Okay.
Sawa.
I'm sorry.
Yangana. Kibizanamo imikino. Nyine umugore ararakara. Baby. Iyo ni nimero yanjye uzampamagare. Kimuzigira ka nimero.
Who's this joker? Huh? Look at
Uriya mugabo wabumuzira. Umukobwa nawe akizi.
Gotta go home, innit?
Dutahe siko bimeze.
Come on, let's go.
Bino dutahe.
You don't want it? Look at you, girl.
Ntabwo ushaka gutareba kuntu umeze umukobwa yari yasinze.
Yo, 2-5. Where you going, man?
Yo, man, she's wounded, man. Look at her.
Bimeze bita umukobwa yazambye yapfuye.
You like it, what do you expect?
Kana agatangaza watekerezaga iki hano twaje mu kabari. Yikubitira ibure ni mukarage kuva muri Jamaica nta kindi kibatunga. Wabura n'ibyasanzwe itari komani n'ubura kamogi. Uyu yagomba gucura umukobwa. Kwereka mujyana mu rugo ni mugoroba. Mwibuka ngo bafite abandi bahanganye nabo mu biyobyabwenge. Kirangije kiva kuri wa wundi uriya baramucyuye kijya kundi mukobwa.
Swimming around doing like backstroke and all.
Yogira ikibazo kiri kijyanye n'agafaranga by'imibyinire twebwe hano twagiye kururumva. Uyu yasanze umugore barimo kumubwira byinshi n'umwe wasunikaga mu kanya umukobwa niwe yasunikaga ku kibambasi umunyamubari.
His name's Ray.
Atanga iki gifite umudomo. Mu mutwe nta mikino ihari abaga bagira imitima. Yewe data we. Warugoryiwe. Nakuyo nitwa rigina. Yewe data we. Cyavugira induru shaho. Igihe cyahereye abantu. Uyu nawe yicyuriye. Mu rutwe kandi nta mikino ihari.
On that horn all night, mate. Or what?
Baya. Bari batashye wari ucyuye umukobwa bamupimye mu mutwe. Mutwe. Kabwa yararize maze areba nk'akavampaye. Umugabo we baramupimye mu mutwe.
You know me, Andy. Pint and fight, great night out.
Iyi ntabwo ari accident yabaye.
Take it from.
Some Paki fam over in Southall.
Abagabo baje guhanganira mu Bwongereza bigaragara ko ari abanyabyobwenge barimo guhangana.
Blinding.
What's the matter with him, mate? He's speaking to me.
No, he's just making sure we don't get disturbed.
Nshaka kuvuga iki bari kumwe n'agakobwa.
Kilo and a half.
3 gram short.
Umugabo bamwishe ariko umukobwa ashobora kuba yabibonye kabone nubwo yakwanga kutubwira. Ubu niwe muntu tureba ushobora kuba yaturangira.
Kilos, not ounces.
I'll tell you what, the best I can do is $1,000. This stuff ain't selling right now.
Rero ntabwo byoroshye kumenya abicanyi ni bande.
I can't stand dealing with them cunts.
Kandi barahanganira mu mafaranga menshi.
12.
Do you want to do this fucking deal or not?
Yeah, I want to do it for £1,200.
£1,500 or I'll burn it.
Si ubwa mbere binabaye. Polisi y'Ubwongereza yatangiye kwiga ku biyobyabwenge.
Andy, you got to take this. We better be fucking good.
Ibirutana uko mwagerageza akangaka. Ibiki?
One.
Yego?
Yeah.
Yego.
Okay.
Sawa.
We're on our way.
Turi mu nzira turaje nabyo twari turimo kuvugaho.
You could say that some mug just had his head blown off. We got a roll, mate.
Yeah. No need to count it.
You can't. You had it all along.
N'abapolisi bari hakuno. Ikibazo bafite ni kimwe. Ibiyobyabwenge bikomeje kwirukanga muri uyu mujyi kandi abantu bakicana barapfa ku mubare uhanitse. Ariko abapfa nanone nabicana kubera impamvu z'ibiyobyabwenge bari mu marushanwa yabyo. Bafashe imodoka ya polisi baza hakuno. Bari bamaze guhamagarwa n'umukuru n'ikindi kirego bagiye kujyaho. Sibyo ko ari nacyo bavugagaho umukobwa nguyu. Kuva umugabo we yicwa bamurashe mu modoka bicaranye. Kuri police station. Babwa muto Rolling with the Nines niyo filime turora gakawa. Kuri polisi barakwakira bataguhaye agakawa cyangwa agacyayi gasanzwe k'amajyani bagupangira agakoma. Kobwe ibibazo batangiye kubimuhata.
I know this is a very difficult time for you right now.
Ndabizi nibi bikomereye mukobwa.
The little details are still fresh in your mind.
Gusa mbere yuko ubwonko bwawe ujya kuburuhutsa turashaka ko bazakiri kare.
It's those little details we're going to be needing.
Turashaka amakuru yose dukeneye. Navuga ngo bamwisha rero.
Thank you, I understand. Please go ahead.
Ndakumva komeza umbaze ibyo ushaka. Twasize abapolisi barimo kubaza umukobwa ku bintu byagenze abamurashe bate. Mwibuke baje bapima mu mutwe. Ko polisi yakabajije. Kobwa twavuye gusa yarakaye aravuga kandi ryinyo riri kurindi nta mikino afite. Mwibuke afite n'abagenzi be. Uwo bapimye ni wari mukuru mu ikipe. Bagira ngo ikipe icike intege atazagira wongera gucuruza akayobyabwenge. Kobwa yagomba gufata inzira akitahira avuye kuri polisi. Jaza mu rugo byageze umugabo wabisanga niwe byamutegereje. Kamogi si ikintu bishe umukuru warucuruzaga muri bose wabahaga imari ngo nimujye gucuruza bagira ngo imikino ibintu birahagarara n'umudamu we bamuteye. uramutse ugisha ijambo uvuga yo fucking dead ngo urumupfu ageze icyo aba yabwiye polisi kobwa baraho.
Now, maybe you can tell me a thing or two about that brother of yours.
My brother's dead, man.
I know it is. That pussy will steal me money.
Ndacashaka kandi amafaranga yose mushobora kuba mwarakoreye kuri uyu muhanda.
What are you talking about, man?
Nayo dufite umuvandimwe wanjye wapfuye niwe uyafite.
Why do you think he get murked?
Wari umukuru w'ikipe bamwitaga umuvandimwe. Polisi yakujyanye babwira iki?
Figured that shit out by now.
Na? Kachatse kwigabo kiri hano urushyi kuryinyi niba atari ingumi. Mwebwe musoke mwa Babiloni mukobwa mbanze mubaze ko afite ikizibiti. Ryinyo ryahise rikuka nta mikino ihari. Ajya kubwira polisi wo zangwe tudahangana.
If you don't keep that fucking mouth of yours closed, I'm gonna have to give you the same kind of treatment.
Dafunze umunwa wanjye.
Tell me money.
Ndaguha ubufasha nk'ubwo nahaye muri kumwe.
Sister, that rolls down the hill.
Faranga yanjye nayo ndayakeneye. Nayo bacurusha arayitaye.
Taking a look upstairs. I seen the key you broke up. You better start knocking that shit out quick. You've got 2 days to come through.
Ntabwo naje hano uko nje gukina. Kibanza kumureba kwanza.
Take some free advice, bitch.
Umva mwugire ni nawe.
Near the vets, they can't protect you from us.
Nibuke neza ko tutari hano twaje mbarushanwa.
I suggest you hold it down. Come on, blood clot, gone bisexual, and let down man and woman.
Ibiruta nuko mwagirwa inama mukareba ko mwava kuri uyu muhanda kandi sinibyo gusa mukobwa mutoyi.
Then I'll turn your fucking mama over.
Nta mwanya mfite. Ndashaka n'agafaranga. Kakama ureba ko mwava kuri uyu muhanda kwanza wowe ndabona wa mukobwa ufite n'ukuntu uteye wowe.
Come find me when you got it. 33 Bally Street.
Ndavano ngenda murangira kuri street anazamusanga kuri nimero ya 9 muhanda.
Bless your whole fucking family.
Ukanga kunzanira agafaranga n'umuryango wawe. Ndamuha. Kobwa karamwicirishije.
Temple for a reason, little girl.
Nenda gakugenda nk'ubabari ariko.
To fuck.
Kanze. Hasi. Mutwe hasi. Kigabo kirangiye gukubita umutwe hasi kiragenda mukobwa urebe filime. Kobwa yatangiye kwiruka gikurura ikimbunda kikarasa wa musore bari kumwe. Yibuka byinshi umukobwa. Kigabo kiri hano ko cyakamukubise hasi. Uziko ntabwo cyagarukiyeho. Mangumiki amukuye amenyo kimukubise umutwe hasi kirangije kigabo kibagenza Imana nyagasani. Hey, uziko Jinya Kigabo afite imitima ngicyo. Icyo cyaramu kigabo hey Jya kugira ngo aragira kikamwongera ndimangu mituza wo kapfa we mbanze tuza. Bagabo bari hano. Uziko kirasunika. Sinzi impamvu kirimo kumusunika. Hey! Cyaramwemukesha mu buryo bushoboka kwicabe kimukuye amenyo. Dore. Kobwa yarababaye shaho. Jya muri dusha arababaye shaho. Tekereza byinshi ariko hari wenyine nicyo kiza gihari shaho. Nta muntu yabibwira kababaro kazi wenyine. Gabo birangije barakwereka ku mihanda kumbe.
You looking good.
Rasa neza sha. You look quite good. Police irimo irashakisha.
Money for food. Well, that's not strictly true, is it? Please give money for crack. It would be close to the mark.
Ngo mama amafaranga cyangwa mu micyakura ndashonje.
On your feet.
Nurimo gusabiriza hakuno haguruka ajya ku maguru yawe yombi n'aba police.
What can you tell me about a guy called Too Fine?
Who?
Too Fine. He was in some kind of hip-hop group.
Umuntu witwa Too Fine muzi wiki. Too Fine ninde?
What's up?
Too Fine umunyajamaika ucuruza ibiyobyabwenge urinda. Nta wenzi.
I
can't think of shit right now, man.
ndimo nishakira icyo kurya nta n'icyo mbona warangiza ukambaza Too Fine n'ucuruza ibiyobyabwenge nta mu Bwongereza yavuye muri Jamaica.
Man, I'm desperate. Just give me some of that.
Mufite ikibazo kimwe amaye agafata ceceka wa kigoryo. Policeman barimo barashaka umuntu witwa Too Fine nawe afasha wa mukobwa ku ngufu.
Aren't you, Cricket? You know what day of the week it is?
It's Sunday, isn't it?
6 days out is good enough. Now get in the fucking car.
I don't want to get...
Jira mu modoka.
Get in the fucking car.
Ndakubwiye injira mu modoka ntabwo twemera kwanza abantu bo ku mihanda n'abapolisi. Bajyana umuswa. Barimo baramubaza umuntu witwa Too Fine yanze kuvuga. Kamogi karacuruzwa we mu mihanda y'ina karacuruzwa karatangwa kandi ari kenshi. Police there. Police ngabo babiri bari mu kazi na nijoro barakora. We.
You hold him.
Hold him what?
Webura.
Give me a half-ounce bag.
I ain't holding, man. You just hear what I said to him.
Shaka kureba ibyo ufite. Ibiki? Bamwereka amakarita yabo n'abapolisi. Bavana imifuka shaka turebe.
4-ounce bags.
That's fine. Now fuck off.
Ngaho buri. Wagiswa. Babonye acuruza ibiyobyabwenge bamusabye ibizibiti barangije baramubariye ngo nagende. Bizibiti abahaye. Uramuretse aragenda se kubera iki? Kumba agafaranga acuruza ibiyobyabwenge ragatanze aba nabo bakunda bitugukwa. We hanyuma we wamuginga we bashaka kwitwa Too Fine ni ucuruza urumogi rwinshi ntabwo bashaka abo ku mihanda banakigenda. Aratubwira byanze bikunze.
Too Fine, I remember.
Too Fine ndamwibuka.
What was he into?
He sold a bit of rock.
Ari mu biki?
Using money to make the music.
Too Fine afite amafaranga arimo gushora ngo bamukorere music nta nubwo ari music gusa. Aracira niba rwaye ifumbi.
You know why he got shot?
Ikindi ni iki?
We were on the streets when he went in for the rap and he left a few...
Ari ku mihanda hanganye n'abandi bagabo birabura bisa naho barimo gucuruza ibyo acuruza.
Give him a fucking watch, man. I'm dying here.
Mume ko dufaranga ariko ndimo ndapfa.
Yours. You want the rest? Pay attention! I said if you want the rest, you got to come up with something and it better be good. Okay?
Niba ushaka ni mafaranga uzaze kandi uzana amakuru kandi azaba ari meza. Sibyo? Bamuhereza twabamuhereje. Kigabo komere ni kibaha amakuru cya informa cyabo babita ba informa. Utanga amakuru yo ku mihanda ukuntu byifashe. Umuntu witwa Too Fine. Niwe bashaka kumbe Too Fine yafashe iki gikobwa ku ngufu. Kobwa kirano kubera kugifata ku ngufu cyavanye rume na mabuye. Kibuka byinshi. Kobwa pe. Tumujinya. Yo mbunda zikuyikoresha menya barayikoresheje byinshi atangira kwibuka ukuntu bayibishije gusa kuri intro ntabwo ari ukwiba. Ubwo menya agiye kujya kwihorera. Kubera bamuhemukiye. Kundi nakora neza we. Kwereka ibyo ikora. Kobwa yari yaramaze kuyibona. Wa musore bapimye ku muhanda aribuka umukobwa barimo kwikoresha we nawe. Ntabwo bigarukira n'ibyuma bihisha mu musatsi. Kikabo cyaje maze kimukubiyimi ibyo cyamukoreye kimusunika. Hano ko n'umwanga wanganye ndaje. Mujinya. Buri mukobwa wese ngo ntabwo azi kwikorera ibyo abagabo bakora. Kwihorera umukobwa arasa naho abizi neza yarabanje aritunganya ibyuma bishyira mu musatsi. Ganira gushaka ikigoryo urana kuntu yatukuye amatama hamwe akaba ari inzoba ahandi akaba ari umutuku. Suko yabishakaga ni ibipfunsi cyamuteraga. Satiri yaho kiri. Nijoro kandi. Nta muntu n'umwe yigeze abwira na n'uwo yagisha inama. Too Fine. Cyamusunika gace mubwira ngo muve ku mihanda y'iwacu, muve ku rumogi rwacu, mume n'agafaranga kugira ngo bareke mutahe. None aho cyari cyicaye ugira ngo
What the fuck you doing, bitch?
Niki kikuzanye hano?
How many of this time of night?
Masaha uzute wenyine. Cyarakaye cyane dore ngicyo cya Too Fine na cyamuteraga ibipfunsi kikanamusunika.
That was quick.
Narinje ibyo wantumye mbizanye.
You could have come in the morning, you know.
Wagomba kuza mu gitondo. Kiri ku iburi.
You sure that's the only reason you're here?
Niyo mpamvu uri hano.
Yeah, I can see you want a bit more, don't you?
Ndabona.
I got 9 inches with your name written all over it. Get in there, you scared. We both know this ain't about money tonight, girl. What you already got, you.
Ahubwo icyo ndi bukubwire ni wowe nanjye. Too fine.
You just fuck things right up.
Raka! Kubera urumogi n'icyamenye ko ari n'isasu ribamo. Urwo ruwambura rujyana ese.
They don't want to lick you down right.
Bekaze banze nkuri imyenda baby. Ndaje tushaho.
I stick my hood in that tight little
Joro
hole.
ryose nge nawe. Kobwa gitunze imbunda harimo amasasu ki. Rumogi ntabwo rwagicanze ntabwo zikijya mbere umukobwa yegera inyuma. Ushaka kunyita? Tuza baby.
I'm gonna take that strap.
Ngiye guhindukiza iyo mbunda ngiye gutunga ari wowe.
Give a little pussy off to taste the point blank box shot. You're making all kinds of mistakes. You just fucked your whole family.
Wese nta muntu utibeshe.
I'm gonna bring midnight at noon to your mother's door.
Oh, oh. Uretse sinzi icyo ndimo kwiyumvamo urumogi amaraso. Too fine.
We can do.
Twaganira ariko nta mpamvu reka tuganire.
Why don't you put that strap down before you hurt yourself?
Wageze iyo mbunda hasi uhita kubabaza.
Judge with a gun.
Kobwa ari hano. Cyamufashe ku ngufu kirangije. Hey! Ni nawe wari umukuru w'ibiyobyabwenge ni wabakangaga muri uyu mujyi wenyine. Polisi irimo irahiga abacuruzi b'ibiyobyabwenge bahanganye. Raka.
What are you doing here? Can I come in? Yeah, man. Come inside.
Kora cyane. Nendaga kwinjira. Kobwa yayisaze.
Seen him, man. That motherfucker.
Hashize iminsi tutakubona bimeze bite.
She did what she had to.
Boss wabo wasanaga urumogi ntabwo agihari. Yarapfuye.
Just got cooling off in it.
Turi ikipe ariko tutari twamenye nihe tugomba gukora ibyo tugomba gucuruza.
Police have got a way of sorting these things out. Ain't gonna take them boys too long before they put it all together.
I know.
Biraza kudufata igihe kirekire kugira ngo tube twakongera kwisuganya tukajya mu muhanda neza. Basigaranya ko banywa ariko kugucuruza ni ntako agafaranga karagenda kagabanyuka.
They ain't too fine, you know. And they had a knocking hope about. I said we just blaze the whole fucking lot of them, blood.
Fucking serious, Chosen One and Chronic. Or they're fucking bad boys, damn near ghetto superstars.
So what?
Hari umugabo witwa Miguel niwe ushinzwe kubitanga hanyuma kandi kugira tugere kuri Miguel abiha umuntu yizeye wenyine.
Listen, little man is saying.
Muri aka kanya amafaranga agiye kuba ikibazo.
On this.
Blood, I ain't weaking out nothing. Ain't like it's gonna be the first time for me. I ain't no fucking virgin. Just another notch on my nine.
Dusa nawe ibyo turimo gukora tutabizi. Turabizi ko twabikozeho. Nukwinjira Miguel byonyine nibyo bisigaye dore kibure kuntu kireshye.
You know what fun?
Urabizi? Miguel afite abandi ibiyobyabwenge. Aramutse ababuza agasanga bose bagiye bazimira. Nabandi azifashisha atari twebwe. Bas.
Straps locked down.
Nicyo gihe cyo kujya gushakisha burucuruzi ibiyobyabwenge wese tumushyira hasi. Wibuke ko Bwongereza ariko nabwo buri maso. Baga mu ngabo. Burucuruzi ibiyobyabwenge bagomba kumushyira hasi. Umugabo witwa Miguel abo yajyaga asanzwe abiha nababura. Abaherezaga abandi. Aratangira shakisha uwo agomba kubiha aba nibwo bari bwungukiremo kuko mugenzi wabo Miguel yahaga we yapfuye. Kwereka tuza hakuno. Kamuroro nkwere ni kamwe gakora mu kabari rwose murokore yashinze bari. Muroro nkwere mu guseriva mu kabari kugari motizanya abagabo babiri bashaka kwica umuntu muri hano ucuruza ibiyobyabwenge ucuruza urumogi. Baramutse bamurangije Miguel araza gushakisha nenda ari buhaka mu gike ngo ajye kamucururiza. Baraza kujya kwa Miguel bumvikane nawe. Guys there ngabo. Gangsters. Na maganji we. Gobishe muri boîte club. Kamuroro nkwere nako kari hakuno karaganira kumbe bamaniga. Cyambere cyo bagihaye too fine bamuhaye. Ko kakabonye imbunda kikangamo. Bara abasore binjiye. Muri brat. Bagabo bari hano. Fire! Iriro. Mugabo aranosha. Gera no kugakobwa bagiye kukanosha. Barababari. Fire batwikana club yose bakira hasi. Nibo bashaka kwicururiza bo icyo bakita monopoly. Shaka monopolizing ikintu kugira ngo monopoly. Monopolizing. Yabari muri bwato yewe. Kupikipiki yabo kandi bagata polisi mukanya ubwiraza gutabara. Nta bindi bya polisi. Mukanya ubwo baraza gutabara bari abapfuye. The bus guys there. Mutobara itangiye. Hashize ngahe tugaruka muri bwate. Bamwe mu bahindurwaga mugenzi wari tare yapfanika gakobwa ko bakababariye usibye ko no ko rusasu rwagafasheho polisi yaratabaye byihuse. Byihuse kabisa. Byihuse ariko nabandi ngabo nabo baraza byihuse. Nta muntu urapfa. Bas. Ntacyo afite.
Philly, what the fuck?
Philly biniki. Babaza Philly hakuno. Philly nawe yabonaga kagabo kanze kwishyura. Mujinya. Skad. Birarangiye we. Ugingo rw'imeke. Koga ntabwo arakanguka ngo agire icyo yavuga. Ubuzima bwe buri habi. Gusa mu nzira bagenda ba polisi nta kindi buri muntu wese bakekaga bakagufata. Wirarimo kugenda dore cya gikobwa cyishe wa mugabo.
Hello love, my name's Tony. This is Pat. You got someone who's a little word with you, so kind of pick you up, yeah?
Koga mutoya wihangane tubonye urimo kwerekera ugiye tugiye hanyuma dushaka no kwifuza kubaza.
Only really suggest the one.
Nizere ko nta kibazo kirimo. Turenda kubaza tubazo dukeye. Menye ko ari polisi ntabwo yabitinzemo. Umukobwa yararakaye. Nta kuvuga menshi. Imodoka cyabo kiratangira. Mumbe hakuno wa mukobwa uko yakagiye.
So someone's worked you over. Hope it wasn't one of my boys. I heard about your brother.
Numva ihangane mukobwa mutoya numvise nyumvandimwe wawe. Uwitaga brother.
You tried?
None bimeze biti twaramukoreraga twebwe.
Man, you might have heard of me. Sit down.
Nizere ko amafaranga witeguye kwetanga yamaga.
Look in the bag. That is a kilo of very good cocaine.
Icho ni kilo cha cocaine.
Fuck shit, those trigger-happy yardy arseholes keep bringing in from Jamaica.
Muvandimwe wawe yazaga anagiye gutangira kujigendesha mu mujyi akaba yazanye cash wazanye rufito.
Tempo was one of my best customers. His firm had 3 kilos a month from me.
Yaturizaga ibiro bitatu mu kwezi.
Must have no longer get it.
Hanyuma kandi nari maze kumwizera we ntabwo ndakumenya neza.
Paid for yet. But you and your boys have lost me a lot of business.
We n'abahungu bagenzi bawe simbizera muri iyi business ndetse mushobora no kuyihombya.
You ain't lost the business. You just changed your partner.
Umwunganizi wari uwo witaga umwunganizi wari umuvandimwe wacu yapfuye. Ndizera ko natwe twizera muri business kuko ari twe twayikoraga. Ndaceka.
Go tell it to Tempo.
Nayikora neza.
Take a genius to put some cunt to bed. It's not exactly.
Koga mutu navuga ngatangaza ko umukobwa uzi icyo akora.
Just give me a chance.
Mama hirwe, just give me a chance.
You got the money?
Ufite amafaranga?
Give me that kilo on credit. I'll pay you back.
Ndamutse nangize kwishyura nako kugurisha nzakwishyura. Kandi inyungu uzafataho gatanu kwishyura nanone.
Well, what else you gonna do?
Niki kintu uri bukore?
So you can start doing that shit yourself.
Abacuruzi bagabanyutse.
Temper dead, you ain't got the links no more. I do.
Kandi polisi irimo irakurikirana. Nzi n'uburyo ngomba gukwepa. Bas. Ko hashize bagenzi barabazana uwo bari bahaye ikiro yazanye nka 5. Cocaine akayiko konyine ka cocaine kagura nka miliyoni y'u Rwanda.
Don't matter, that's my business.
Nta kundi nzira yagombaga kuba nyabagendwa byanze bikunze kaduha. Tukagurisha. Dukora iki?
You know the market better than I do, Pushy.
Dutangiye dushaka isoko nko byari bisanzwe Pushy.
Grade A, Amsterdam's finest.
Ndakeka nta
Now
kintu.
you lot could have people queuing up to buy this shit.
Been knocking out skunk for years now.
I've been smoking it for longer than that, blood.
Kana gatangaza ibyishimo birabataha abandi bacuruzi bose bagabanyutse ikidaka kitangiye kuba cyabo.
That's why I need your help.
Nyine ubufasha bwanyu.
You two, Finn, us four, together. This is our chance to make some serious wrong. I reckon it's the best we'll ever get.
Nico gihe nayo mahirwe yacu kuba twakora agafaranga kadasanzwe.
For things, Hope.
Kuko ubu turacyari abacuruzi bari bonyine mu mujyi.
Turning back.
The music's over. You got to look to the future.
What kind of future?
Ahazaza hacu rero mumenye neza ko tubafatiriye aho ngaho.
Before, right?
Murabitekerezaho iki?
Just taking things a step further.
It would be good to get back into a business that I fucking understand. No CD sales, no fucking percentages.
Niba ariko bimeze nanjye ndabyumva kandi ndabisobanukirwa na CD zikigucuruzwa.
Me Hope. We're in with you on this, you know.
Uyu mwana nanjye ngo urimo we kiriya buri kandi kiba kirimo guhutera. Cyo cyamenyerera rumwe rw'amababi nicyo nirwo kinywera. Police iri ku kirego.
My sister just sent me these. It was my niece's birthday last week.
You?
Uriya mukobwa ni mushiki w'umugabo wapfuye hanyuma kandi wamwishe.
How much for?
£10.
Oh, big spender. General said, but that's what she calls you.
Nawe yaje gupfa.
Cute.
Kana agatangaza ikibazo no kwiga kuri uriya mukobwa byanze bikunze.
And it pretty much everywhere.
You know, Brian, but
twafatiye mu gikorwa no kubashyira mu rukiko. Igikorwa kukibafatiramo ntabwo byoroshye.
Close enough.
cricket, looking sharp.
Reba wirebe we. Wa wundi usabiriza.
Has he got a 10? Am I imagining it?
The boy looks fucking great.
Can you guess why we're here?
You want to know something about the Plush nightclub shooting?
That'd be a good start.
Ain't nothing to tell. No one's claiming it. No crews, no firms, no gangs.
Yeah, shut up.
N'abantu namwe mwe namenya namazina ndamenya y'ibiyobyabwenge basigaye babicuruza muri iyi minsi. Ubona n'inzi yaciyeho. Bamuha icyo bamuhaye.
You wanted something good of me. We've got all that and morphine, man.
What can you tell us about Temple in this club? I'm thinking maybe we've got some kind of gang war on our hands.
Ain't no gang war going on.
Uramutse utatubwiye abo tuzabona muri iyi minsi umenye ko neza nawe turi gukure ku muhanda nabi cyane we yisabira kuguma ku muhanda ubundi akabaha amakuru.
Must have mugged them off or something because Temper goes ape shit.
Nta kindi ndabazi neza n'ukuntu bagenda n'ukuntu bayakora.
Yeah, well, he doesn't anymore.
Arwaye ifumbe no mu mazuru agakurura.
For real?
Ibyanyabyo byo mbabwira.
From these days. What can you tell us?
We're looking for a Mag 10 and a 357 Magnum.
Magnum? You need around Tom Selleck for that shit, man.
Narundi muntu witwa Magnum tutari twamenye. Magnum. Go nurushi. Memuretse ko ngo bitari ko ndabwira ibyonzi.
I do know, yeah. This is one guy. He's selling all kinds of shops right now.
Ibi namakosa gupfa ko ngo bitokandi mutari mwamenyesha n'ukuntu nazamubona. Cyangwa mutegereze nzamwibone mbabwire.
Who is it?
Some fucking yardie called Carnage. This guy be all over these ends, dealing in rocks and shit, man. You name it.
Kagira kuvuga waze gusifumbe mu mazuru imeze nabi. Uwonzi na umunyajamaika ari naha mu Bwongereza. Fumbe. Ari na mu Bwongereza ntabwo aramenya nihe harara usibye ko yumva ko ari urimo kubitanga ari byinshi cyane.
Whatever you say, sir.
How many of those photos?
Icyo dufite gukora no gucungira hafi cyane cyane abirabura babimukira bazi na mu Bwongereza. Abavuye muri Jamaica cyo bamaze kumenya ko ariyo ngingo. Ko byamera kose ni igihe cy'umuhigo. Policeman on duty. Banya Jamaica. Tangira kubashakira aho bakeka. Jamaicans. Bra.
Hello, darling. What can I do for you?
That'll do us a little favour.
Handjob's a tenner, full sex is 45, and a blowjob will cost you 70.
Yongeri uramutse ushatse kurara hano iwacu hanyuma kandi 70 uramutse ushatse kugenda.
Big tits.
Dufite n'abanini dufite n'abato n'iki mutabona. Bari hakuno. N'amayero. Ntabwo biramenya mu kimbirimo gukinira kuko mina abapolisi. Kiboryi no ku rurimi giteraho parufe cyane imihumetso. Mugabo yakoze mu ikote.
Looking for a customer yours. Black guy.
You're gonna have to do better than that, love.
Bas, ari umukobwa wirabura hano barimo kwashaka.
Carnage, I'm sure you know him, he's a regular.
Umubwire ko n'umukiriya usanzwe. Ni umunyajamaika kazi. Niwe bagomba guhera akabereka bene wabo abanyajamaika baba bari. Yanze kumuvuga batanga bitugu kwa.
I make 350 a night. You think I'm gonna...
Magana 350 nyakura mu ijoro rimwe urema.
You see her? You see this girl? She was murdered. This little girl here, raped. This little sweetheart, raped and murdered.
Mwereka abantu bisho.
Who's responsible for that? You really want to protect a pedophile?
Mugabo yitwa Magina muni uri inyuma ya byose. Abo bose barapfuye. Turimo turashaka umugabo. Uranga kuturangira nawe ubwa uri indaya turakujyana nk'abapolisi nta burenganzira ufite bwo gukora. Yoko mana kamanze ndika amafaranga none twumvikana. Kirabiga abapolisi bari hano.
That's it. That's where he lives.
Naho ngaho ni watuye.
Aye. You better catch that sick bastard.
Gusibira uko mwacunga udutafari twanyu mugiyeyo nta mikino wo mugabagira. Bashaka umukobwa ugomba kubarangira yuko mbene uri yarahaza. Banze umereze amafoto mwereke.
That's my fucking niece, mate.
Oh, grab you fucking mug.
Fuck you.
bagenda nabo barimo gutongana ntabwo ari kuriya bagasatira igikobwa gishobora no kumenyesha ko abapolisi bagiye kuza kumufata.
Yardie called Carnage is knocking out discount Euroguns. Ed's contact has confirmed that he's selling exactly the kind of shit that got you.
Boda zanyu muzitegure batubwiye ko ari mubi cyane hanyuma kandi mu kujyayo tugomba gushaka undi muntu twohereza yakeka ko aje kumugurira ibiyobyabwenge. Ni umunyajyamayi kuri hano.
Attention. Cricket walks up to the front.
Magnum nta wundi ushobora kuba ngo acuruza byinshi cyane kurusha abandi. Gusa Magnum so kwizerwa na polisi na itinyi.
And we get searched the house.
Got it. Some of these yardies like to see them.
Yitegure neza kandi ashobora kuba bari kumwe n'abandi ntago bari wenyine. Tunacyo ni ikindi kibazo.
This is a no-go area. Locals aren't too fond.
This is an out-go area. Aha nahantu hatapfa kuvogerwa ndetse hatajyanwa na buri wese. Bapolisi ngabo. Magnum agakobwa kari kabarangiye hatuye. Raka. Icyo boheje ni cyagiri cyo kumuhana kirwaye ifumbi. Magnum mugabo yitirira imbunda. Uzvanayo n'abapolisi bo mu Bwongereza. Baraka.
It's Cricket, yeah? Come on, man, open up.
Nipoke mwana fungura urugi.
For real batty boys, 11:30 in the morning.
Umva mugabo, I don't want the money. Nuko abo Jamaica bavuga icyongereza.
No, man, I need a little bit.
Mwana nyeneye kumuti w'umutwe.
I am not from you.
Yahakanye mukomanga ukapfa.
All right, what's a good time to come back?
That's what kimute ibyuma. Byuma byanya n'abapolisi kiraba. Subiramo indani. Kigabo cyafunze urugi. Karagi cyamuteye ibyuma shawe bagabo bagira imitima. Cyamwirukanye kuva kare mvira ku rugi. Yanga kuva ku rugi kuba abapolisi no mu gikari bari. No mu gikari baciyeyo. Kuva kare cyamwirukanye ku rugi. Bafunguye hano umupolisi kumbe cyataze imunda ku rugi rw'inyuma iramura. Bandi bijamo nabi cyane. Umunyajamaika yaje mu Bwongereza gushaka agafaranga nta mikino afite yaje gushaka agafaranga n'urupfu rurimo narwo yasanye narwo polisi wundi ari aya moto polisi bifite imbunda ntabwo ari kimwe we ibyinshi ngabo n'amadireri bavuye muri polisi kubita umupolisi aya Banyara umugi bari hano shawe umutwe Raka polisi amerewe nabi kirara nacyo umupolisi baranigana nta cyubahiro reka da Bitari umupolisi amerewe nabi umupolisi hasi birara biriyana bogisi umupolisi bogisi nta mikino bifite ahindura ikigoryi faya polisi amerewe nabi tumupanga tugiye kumutema baragiha mwana nyagasani reba urwo rupanga Magnum cyarabacitse Mama kati yabona wa musikawo.
Your noise, you stupid cunt. Is everyone okay?
Wajitutwe.
Good. Newmar.
Fine.
Ed.
Yeah,
good. Anderson on your feet. I want you outside.
Anderson mujye gushaka abandi hanze uyu mumundekere ntacyo.
You two check the house.
Mwebwe mukomeze musuzume murebe ko hari ibikapu hano bifite ibizibiti by'urumogi. Ibyo bizibiti ni mubonye n'amadolari cyangwa mukabana muyanzanire. Ndashaka ibizibiti uwo navande. Hanyuma iki kigo banza kura muri net.
What you hiding there, boy?
Witande wa musikawo. Kiramutuka, fuck off. Utuko umupolisi bagenzi be wabahemukiye arabanza reba gasafuriya amena ibishyimbo hasi arangije azana ku mutwe. Ni ko haryo mvuze gwiki? Eh? Kuzuru nta mikino ihari. Kiracyavuga byinshi. Kuzuru. Gifite urugambo. Yewe saka amagi gusa abacuruza bafite n'amabunda hano namenye bayocuruza. Gira gutyo basanga uziko byitana abagenzi babyo we. Menye kitakizaniye agafaranga yaragikubise shaho gitangira kuruka amaraso n'amenyo bivanze. Uko yagakase mu gikari hano hari abaharu bigenda bikabagira abantu wanga kukishyura kikakubaga. Dore kizibiti, dore urumogi mama shenge. Dore shaka iki mwa abapolisi.
And a 357 Magnum. Tell me.
Turashaka kwitwa Magnum ni jewe.
Who to?
umbrella and the people them. Pushy.
Pushy.
Me and man did this.
Pushy ni uri nyuma byose Pushy.
Hey man, who the fuck are you talking about?
Uravuga ibiki? Ubarundi ngo bahanganye witwa Pushy.
Fine.
Demeze sawa.
We've hit the fucking jackpot, Andy. It's got to be 4 keys of coke in here.
Reba ibiro bya za cocaine biri mu bikapu hano.
You're fucking Arsenal.
4 kilos.
Aba baswa bafite n'intwaro muri iyi nyubako.
They're going to 1 kilo. Get on the front of the car. Tell him we've got 3 keys of white for sale. You can have it for 20 grand a key, but only if he takes the fucking lot at once.
Muri aka kanya umuswa tugomba kumujyana imbere y'ubutabera. Mugashaka ukuntu umugenza koko yishe n'abapolisi kwazi yarasha abapolisi. Ngicyo dore ko kireba nk'impaga.
If you want to survive your first night in jail, I suggest you listen to everything I'm about to say very fucking carefully.
Giye kugusohora kandi ni gusohora ugende witonze kandi nanone mu buryo nifuzamo. Ko no kwicana ndishatse nabikora. Kwereka amaze gufata cya kigoryi baje kwa Fande.
36 firearms, a kilo of cocaine.
Ikiro cya cocaine 10 ari kiro kimwe bamenya bayishaho nabo gake.
Once again, for the record, congratulations.
Mu mateka nane ndababwira mwa basore mwe congratulations akabimwe mwaka felicitation mwakoze akazi gahambaye. Asigana n'umukuru wabo.
You want to know what I've got to say off the record?
Ushaka kujya nkwereka amakosa wakoze mu mateka nane wigeze ukora mu gispolisi.
Small time crackhead with no record of serious violence or gun crime. Of course you were. And he just happened to want to buy crack from this man's front door.
Turanezezwa n'ukuntu wagiye maze ugafata ibyo biyerara n'ibiyobyabwenge byabo.
Very careful about how you answer this.
Gusa wagiye nabi.
Do I look like a cunt?
Bagenzi umwe arapfa.
Do I?
Impamvu?
Because that's what you're taking me for.
The story is...
Koko wagiye utabanje kumenyesha ikibazo ugiye gukemura.
The question I asked you was, do I look like a cunt?
I'm not sure how to answer that question, sir.
Well, let me help you.
Kuki utigeze uvuga? Ndati ntabwo nigeze mbishyira muri gaciro nyakuba uzajya umenyesha rero.
To that house, so you could exploit a loophole and get inside because you didn't have sufficient grounds for a warrant.
Is that a fact?
Na warrant wari ufite kugira ngo ugende urabona ko wagiye mu buryo bw'amakosa iyo tubanze tukabitegura neza.
You would have seen that young Mr. Carnage already had 2 strikes on possession and supply of firearms. Now, do you think a man like that is going to come quietly?
No, sir.
No, sir. If you bothered to do your job properly, I wouldn't have 7 yardies and some poor crackhead in the morgue. Not to mention the 2 cunts in the bathtub.
That's fuck what we're doing, mate.
Kindi gihe nuramuka ushatse gukora akazi neza uzajya ubanza umenyeshe ntabwo ari ukuza tugushima wakoze akazi ariko hari n'ibihombo byabaye.
How do I get it through to you? You knock down the door at number 10 and find the Prime Minister sniffing coke off a child's nuts. You can't do him for anything without a valid warrant.
Ntukagira ikintu na kimwe ujya gukora nta warrant ufite. Warrant ni cya cyandiko niba ugiye gufata umuntu bajyana arrest warrant cyangwa search warrant.
Let me face the press.
Cyandiko cyemerera gusaka cyangwa gufata.
Lies that let me sleep at night.
Muri aka kanya bapfuye bashobora kugushinjwa.
It was off the record. So, once again, for the record, congratulations on a job well done.
Mu mateka ndagushima ko wakoze akazi katoroshye. Ariko nanone ndakugaye ibyaha wakoze. Byo kupfa kugenda utatumenyesheje. Reka tuvuyeyo. Ibiyobyabwenge abanyabiyobyabwenge bagiye bagabanyuka sasa bari kuri sigisi na abangaba barimo iki gikobwa. Na wa wundi witwa Pushy mugenzi wacu. Nibo bari kuri sigisi barimo baracuruza polisi ntabwo birabamenye usibye ko sigisi cyaki ni nta mumetso mubonye. Kuri sigisi aba nibo bariho. Mukobwa garuka kwa boss.
I thought we could settle up.
Nabo korera iki boss?
Here's what I owe you. It's all there, plus the extra 30% like I promised.
You sold a kilo already.
I can be very persuasive.
Wacuruza ikiro cyo cyarangiye kare ntabwo ari kimwe gusa ibyo wamaye byose nabitunganyije.
Now there's a stupid question.
Hari ikibazo ari
questions.
Nanga ibibazo.
We'll wait off you.
Kumbaza ibibazo kandi wabonye ko nshoboye gukora nibyo bibi. Boss amwongera ibindi biro. Kobwa nawe birabaha bagenzi be barakwere kuntu bagenda batambaza ibiro. Dore utuntu bagenda bafunga duto buriya kariya kangana kuri ni nk'ibihumbi 50 by'amanyarwanda kariya gatonya kariya barabuzingazinga dore mama cege mu dushashi buri inshuro gucuruza bahawe n'imbunda nuko baracuruza bashize akete kuko barabiza abanzi ni benshi we mwitegurire duduyi hanze.
Stick with the 9.
Utraka Pushy, are you working for Mukaraji?
I'm not no worker, you know. I'm working.
Yeah, bavuye muri ruriya maze mwana mugiye kudukura ku mabure kwe. Tuve ku mabure y'imbuto wangu. Bure bayavaho dore ngaba baracuruza ku mihanda agafaranga karagenda kaguhira batanga imodoka nziza. Wao ndi wapfuye asaga no bafungura inzira. Ibibwe bwose burahagarara umukobwa buri ukwaje ku munsi aracuruza none biro nk'ijana. Boss yatangiye kumwishimira. Kumbe dore cyakiri cyitwa Pushy.
We're gonna need some muscle. Helps organize the meet.
Gabo.
Boys from Southall. They got money, but they can't be trusted.
Yeah, I'm on it. Hey, Beefy. Hey, blood, it's Rage. How you doing?
Gabu.
How you like to be doing a whole lot better? I'm gonna forget door work.
Ntugire ikibazo ndaza kuza ibintu bigende sawa.
Shit. What you need is a change of scenery. Yeah, and a pay increase.
Turagira ngo duhindure imitwarire yarwo. Turajya gutuzana none ibikapu n'ibikapu. Barimo barazana rwinshi umusore atangiye guhura n'abantu bakomeye ngabo barwifuza. Abantu bakomeye mu bucuruzi bw'urumogi. Batangiye kuzana ibikapu.
Funny, innit?
Kamogi kafasha seje mu Bwongereza. Ibikapu by'amafaranga hakuno. Numbe hakuno rugabo rw'umukara rwo ruhora rwihuterera. Ntabwo amwa cocaine. Bamwe by'amababi. Kashi zirameneka. Polisi iri mu iperereza buri munsi bamwe barapfa abandi bakazuka. Abana bashasha baje nyuma yuko mugenzi wabo apfa. Bakubitanye na boss ugira ngo amageto ni bayimutse mo dore inyubako bajemo we. Nyarutarama nta mikini hari. Yo muri Amerika. Yeah.
Refresh my memory, blood. What? He's had me a few...
Nanu yamusura mwibuka yaratwambuye.
Shit.
Tumukorera iki?
Keeps making my phone calls.
Yaratwambuye mwana.
Watch this.
Reka rere burebe icyo ngiye kugihemba. Yatwaye imodoka. Bongo musiko wabambuye nta mikini hari. Ana birahuye wangu, birahuye kabisa. Birahuye. Abagabo zo bica umuntu bakagenda bisekera. Birahuye kabisa. Birahuye wangu.
He's dead.
Ndamuhaye bakumuginga ndamuhaye. Buri aranamugaye. Yes cyakari. Birahuye wangu. Birahuye kabisa. Nabiyombo babamo baragenda baseka. Kwica umuntu ni minota 0 cyane. Kobwa atangiye kugenda rwose mukobwa mu gukora deal zo kugira ngo abone urumogi rwinshi. Yafashe hasi hejuru. Kumba bongereza police ya Scotland Yard. Naye yafashe hasi hejuru barimo barashakisha ntago byoroshye.
His real name's James Baker. He was a football hooligan back in the day.
Umugabo yitwa Breaker. Yinji nta buryo butemewe gusa muri aka kanya afite impapuro zemewe.
Nice. So he gave up being a terrorist legend to become a drug dealer.
Yaje kuba drug dealer, umucuruzi w'ibiyobyabwenge.
Another JBH, IBH.
Ari kumwe na JBIG.
Non-associates.
Na agasore kitwa JBIG kakandi kagenda kavuga ngo ni bagonga.
Fucking dynamite head.
Look at this.
Bari kumwe n'undi witwa Push. Push umuntu yamabwirirwa n'iki?
Rank was posing with water pistols.
Bahitazana agafoto bose bariho.
A crew called Time Served.
Aba bose bari inshuti. Basaga n'umuryango.
Some bitches to keep your hands up my fucking money. What these fucking clowns think is a good dose of Frank Sinatra.
Yeah, right. You recognize him?
We knew our Pooey.
What are the others say?
It just gets better. Jason Crocker, a.k.a. Finney. He had an underground club here with some jungle...
Uyu nguyu niwe bakunda kwita Finney, ari nawe Push.
...in the drive-by.
Muri aka kanya aracyari muzima.
From robbery. So 5 out of 15. He's kept his nose...
Ni bamwe mu bacuzaga ibiyobyabwenge bari kumwe na mugenzi wabo wapfuye.
That one's Sean Price, a.k.a. Rage and Nasty.
Bakunda kumwita Rage, ariwe JBIG.
Find any young offenders and he's been busted for...
Aracyari muzima, abo ngabo turamutse tubabonye tumenye ko ari indi kipe yinjiye mu kazi mugenzi wabo ubwo yamaraga kwicwa.
Nice.
Yes.
They've all got solid connections with Two Fine. Those are 3 very dodgy-looking bastards right there, Andy. And like you said, Plush Nightclub is a 3-man job.
Looks like De La Salle was right.
Aka gasa n'abatari akazi k'abantu babiri jye nawe gusa.
I bring them in, get Carnage up on the stand.
Nah.
Turamutse tubabonye tukabageraho nabwo byatubera ikibazo ko kuri uyu munota bitwaza intwaro.
And simple.
Bangiritse nabo mu gihe gito.
Kind of found this on a new mindset on these boys night and day.
Ibintu biroroshye.
From a slip up which by their very
biragaragara kuba babyinjiyemo ari benshi ari uko ibiyobyabwenge bifite agafaranga kenshi gatubutse. Tugomba kumenya ninde tugomba gukoresha muri abo bose cyaza tukabafata miri babifite.
I say we lay off punting that goat to Carl for a few weeks.
Nta numwe waba turangira ko ari kuba turangira we yaciyeho. Fata igihe gitoya Push ngo yo hakuno.
We're going to drive down to Bristol for the meet tomorrow.
Pay a Push. Wena cya gikorwa kijya kuzana bagacuruza.
It's 9 o'clock in the evening. Leave it alone. We can talk business tomorrow.
Tobwa ntabwo arababwira ibyamubayeho n'ukuntu yagiye kwihorera kwa cya kigori cyamuye cyamusunitse kimutera n'amangumi.
Some new grimy club Rage has been hollering about.
Urakanya nyandeba rwose ngareba ukuntu ducuruza akamogi. Nkawe rwose ngareba kobwa katangiye kubona kirimo kuvugira mu mibare. Gifite igihushi shaho. Bishobora kubeshya ko ari uruhara kumena igihushi. Byari byiza no guhura no kuba turimo gukora business kagenda neza.
Tell you what I want.
Ko bimeze ndacana.
A few things. For the rest of the night, I want to pretend that you and I are just 2 regular people out on a date like any other young couple.
Out on a date?
Well, you don't want to go on a date with me.
What, pretend I will?
Whichever you prefer. I know you care about me, Finn.
Kwigeze unyitaho kuva na mbere.
We got to watch each other's backs.
Natangiye kwitaho ubwo nta muntu wari ufite kwitaho.
I've seen the way you look at me.
Cyangwa ubwo turaza kubona na hari.
You're a good friend.
Just a good friend.
Mwumvaga wifuza nk'iki undi just being a girlfriend, umukobwa w'inshuti yawe. Nako umukobwa w'inshuti yanjye. Urabitekereza iki?
If we were out on a date tonight, what would you say to me?
Say you look good.
Oscar.
I do a lot better than that.
Say you look beautiful.
And then
Ko bakaganira hakuno kumva igikobwa.
help me no further.
Ndaza gutekereza ko nta bibazo byanteza. Kubura inshuti kandi nanone dukorana.
You're wrong about you.
Niho hari ikibazo aho ngaho. Oscar.
Game over. I'm out of here.
Please. Sit down, please.
Ko bimeze. Sorekera reba ku mibare.
You really want me to say it? You're right. There's times when I see you as more than just a friend.
Rimwe na rimwe iyo ngurebye nibuka inshuti yacu twabuze.
That was harder than I thought.
Byankomereye kurusha uko nabicetse. Kumva igikobwa cyamubonye yararobye. Ntabwo aramenya ko uyu mukobwa bamufashe bakamusunika ku mbaraga n'ibipfunsi n'iki byose.
Let's get out of here.
Reka turebe ko twava hano tugataha. Fata ku mwako. Fata umwako. Kigali we mufate ku mwako. Cyamugara cyari cyavuye kuva kare cyarobye. Uzi ko umuntu aroba akabura ubwa burya bivugamo.
Protect me.
I'll protect you.
Say it again.
I'll protect. I love you.
Say it again. And again. And again.
Barakapfa gusa barakapfa. Ukapfa sha. Barakapfa. Barakapfa. Shize ngahe busubuye na amasaha yo gucuruza. Kamoji bafashe hasi hejuru.
Hear what, blood? Hope said that this crew want to take an old key, you know, just for starters. Anyhow, they like what they got.
Ikintu kinejeje nuko buri munsi tugenda tugabanya ibyo ducuruza ahubwo tugenda tubyongera nicyo kintu kinejeje kurusha ibindi.
Maybe two, blood. When we reach here, you just sit tight, Rage. Yeah? Me and Phil.
Nanjye ndumva bishimishije cyane. Rakabasi.
No chances, you know. After 5 minutes, if we ain't out, I want you to just blow up my mobile. Anyhow, we don't answer. Just come in spraying up.
Ndabaganira umuntu wari wese watwitambika mu nzira nta kintu tugomba gukora nuko muturitse akatuva imbere. Just blow them over. Kumva ko barimo kugenda biganira inyuma yabo bari babatesha abandi bakurikiye. Basaba batubwira naba ngabo. Police. Yizera neza ko ari cyo turi bugakure mariko. Police nyuma yabo.
You bet they're doing it for a fucking reason.
Basiko baratwaye wagira ngo bari muri fucking race. Race na amasiganwa.
I think we're being followed, blood.
Mwana, we've been followed. Twakurikiwe.
Look, inside lane, 3 cars back. Been on us since Hammersmith.
Ako kamodoka katuri inyuma yako harasa nawe atarimo umuntu umwe kandi kadukurikiye kuva kare.
Shit in his car, put us down 15.
Urebe neza mwo kubabaswe.
The judge is in a good mood. Any ain't sniff Mrs.
Jewe ndi muri mode nziza ndareba nkareba buri kimwe bakurikira man. Twakurikiwe. The middle lane is Jamaican boy. If he's following. Yongera yicanira kamogi. Twakurikiwe ava mu murongo ajya ku ruhande kakamodoka karongera kajya ku ruhande aho bagiye.
Shit, I think yeah, there's something wrong about that car. You mark my fucking words.
Komeza uyikurikire giye kandi ufata amagambo yanjye. Uyikurikire neza umurongo ijya muri bujyamo.
See, I told you.
Murabona ibyo nababwiye.
What do you want, a fucking reward?
Who do you reckon it is, the fucking boy then?
No, nashaka ikishaka uburyo bacika.
Just get off at the next exit.
Kuri ukata akurikira ku muhanda ukurikiraho. Imodoka kaba akurikiye kuva kare. Dako. Harimo abapolisi bari babaketse abani b'abanyabwenge basigaye mu Bwongereza bari bakomeye.
Fuck that.
Bandi bagiye bagabanya kurikira abaginga, kurikira abaswa, kurikira haduyi, kurikira duduyi. Yes, Kigali we. Duduyi maze nayo yikatira mu muhanda ugeze akiradiha. Bagiye hatari imodoka nyinshi.
Listen, I swear, you know what they do to people like me in prison?
Nani biniki ni police byanze bikunze nabandi badukurikiye atari police.
On this roundabout, man. If he's still on us, then we'll know for sure.
Gerageza wihute tureko twabacika mu byukuri. Umbe na polisi wagira ngo bari inyomeko. Baromeka. Barabananije n'urumogi rwanje wangu. Abo bagingara. Right. Ko cyaga twekerekera ata modoka. Twara bworo imbere urabakata maze bahita baburira aho ngaho. Twayibora maze katinturi imwe bagabo. Batiraho. Basa matare ya police. Nabo barakurikira. Yakabasi. Iri modoka. Bangwa. Nakubwiye ko kuva karabaswa bashobora kutuvumbura nyuma batuvumbuye n'imbunda ziva nta bindi. Iramo n'umupolisi bari imbere menyana mwana gerageza ucika kwica umupolisi ni ikindi cyaha ucuruza urumogi kwaca n'umupolisi polisi yacanye amatara yo kubereka ko bagomba guhagarara katurori barimo baracika over niba mutwumva tuvuye kuri radio ya polisi over muratwumva over twe turicaye mu modoka turimo kwirukanka over twicaye ariko over over requesting backup turasaba ubufasha requesting backup polisi bashakaga ubufasha kubarebera hari indege iturutse hejuru ndetse n'imbere bishobotse baracyacika katurori ziriruka turabumva turimo turaza kubafasha over biswarije kubafasha indege hari indege yari iturutse mu kirere bandi baracyabara inyuma shaka uburyo ucika we twara cika ikiko n'indege yabijemo baragenda bavuga aho bageze indege maze ikamenya aho ifatira ngabo barasiga utumodoka bagenda polisi sinzi ko bayicika polisi inyuma yabo katurori yihuta turashaka ubufasha umuturage wagiye mazana ngo ngahuye nabo biragaragara ko muri iyi modoka harimo ibiyobyabwenge barimo gucikisha polisi itabifata kirere naho yaje turababona mu mbaho nako mu biti over turababona hasi over ko mwirukanka cyane over bari mu mashyamba ntabwo indege ireba neza usibye kugenda ukurikirana imihanda umuhanda ukase guhagarika biracyakomeye no hejuru badukurikiye hindukira we hindukira tani hindukirije hafi icyo bita yutani polisi caho yari mu kavatiri caho yo mu ndege ni iki bakurikiye
India 99, where are you? Over.
Ini chenda muri over. Arabaza indege ahwiri, indege iracyakurikiye. Modoka igeze mu biti kujya polisi zayibone biba bikomeye. Nako indege yibone. Aba nabo barahindura bari bagendeye mu vatiri. Daka abarara mu kamodoka kabo basi ivatiri yakurikiye y'abapolisi kumbingi ko naba tukibona sinzi aba bari gitiye hova ku modoka y'abakubise hasi cyagari w'indege ntabwo irimo kubabona neza bazanye kavatiri kadege kaje kubona aho baguye kamenyesha ivatiri karabonye baguye aho baguye gusa baguye ni bazima mwana dore abaginga baracyaza abapolisi baraje bapari ku ruhande rwabo yakabasi dore nagika po wasiga buri wese naca he abapolisi babiri ku birara bitatu niba nambunda byagendanye n'ibyo nazi n'urumogi ngabo ndakubwiye kugira ngo bazagufata ufite urumogi kiba ari icyasha gikomeye wirukanganya urukapu sinzi kirimo katurori bandi nabo birukanga kufite igikapu cyane polisi pfuye dore hariya nitwe twenyine mw'isi yose tumwe urumogi gusa bagenda sonatime ni bose bokapfa ngabo dore umupolisi inyuma dore kirarime polisi kirara cyaguye hasi umupolisi yanga kugipima amamvu yo kukica kirimo kwiruka nyagasani wanyu nitwe twenyine tumwe urumogi kuri iyi si y'Imana ndapfuye ariko simbizi koko polisi yane burarano arihisha bihisha undi imbere baracyamuriho ngiye gufata umuswa bagasimbukana n'urukapu arakamupolisi nawe yarasimbutse ko yagasimbutse turagubura n'igiti cyawo gishinyitse reba filime uwa mbere araparika uwa kabiri parikingi hepfo muri kaburimbi konse ikigoryi irasutama n'ukapu cyasize hejuru ewe wangu
Are you alright?
Mesawara. Yewe. Basi tadi forward. Yigi modoka. Bano wa Moscow.
Today's your lucky day, bro.
Cyarashe ku ruhande umuturage maze ariruka ati imodoka ye. Kirayiba dore ikindi cyaho. Muzira kigenda umupolisi ayigwaho. Umupolisi ari nawe yipangaritse. Parika wa Moscow nicyo ni ikindi cyane wanga guparika. Nagasuzuguro turakandikira. Cyafashe amaferi. Umupolisi hakurya. Nta mikino ihari. Kiyizana kimupimye. Umupolisi pembeni. Aya. Pimya kamodokari kagongwa niya mwenzangu cha yarivuye hayo. Umupolisi arongera aragaruka. Musa barara bafite imyaka tu. Bafite imyaka imwe mu rwego rwo hejuru. Bas. Get out of the fucking car. Mu modoka Moscow, get out of the fucking car. Mu modoka. Icyo nicyo bafasha ari kizima. Abanza kigira amafunzo kumenyo kandi kumenyo. Ewe data we. Polisi no kumbe ni ndembe.
Give you a fucking good shoeing.
Fuck you, pig!
Kiramutuka. Muri kaburimbi, yewe data we agatwe muri kaburimbi. Kurutwa pima neza ko umupolisi nawe yarembye. Cyagiye kimunaga yagiye maze afata parikingi mbaya sana. Yaricaye yafashe indi parikingi gusa rucunga. Ntegereza ko abandi bapolisi baza. Ndege yari irimo kumanuka. Cyara mutuze ngo fuck you pig ni ingurube. Bagereka ko ari cyo kigurube umutwe kubita muri kaburimbi. Polisi agenda yikaraga parikingi ayifatira ku giti nawe yarembye. Buri muntu parikingi yagiye ayifata uko. Ibindi birara byacitse. Gusa umwe baramufashe muri byo. Katorore. Nibizibiti bafite n'igikapu. Ikizibitira. Dore kizibiti ariko buri yasanze harimo agafaranga shafu. Icyo kizibiti yakijyaniwe mu rugo. Ni ikizibiti cy'urumogi nta mpamvu yo kukijyana mu rugo.
We love you. You're lovely, fucking lovely.
Dore w'igikundiro wa Moscow.
Special kind of fucking arsehole to crash 2 cars in as many minutes. Fancy packaging. Clutch, is it?
Scott.
What are you gonna say? I'm black. The cops framed me. They switched my bag of caster sugar for.
Buka bagenzi bawe cyangwa natwe. Ugiye atiriza kuvuga kigabo cyaryumyeho.
Story.
Arindo bavugaza.
Actually, you ain't got a choice.
Na mahirwe ufite.
Do it anyway.
Uravuga abandi.
A little while ago, there was a brutal gangland slaying down Plush nightclub.
Icyo dushaka nuko bava muri uyu mujyi.
Read about it in the paper.
Turakure kugenda.
Of course, you didn't need to spend 40 pence on a daily to find this out.
Hani mapuru ugira zo kugira ngo ube waguma inanga. Urabivuga iki? Baramuhitisha mu kugambanira bagenzi be niwe bafasha wundi ari muzima. Umwe bakubitaga igitwe muri kaburimbi.
But you don't inspire me to do any fucking overtime.
Kora makosa. Urakubita n'uruva gusenya.
A woman got caught in the crossfire that night. She got gunned down as if she was part of furniture.
Cyo dushaka no kumenya ni bande barashe no mu kabari kandi bari muri mwebwe. Kobwa muto waserivaga mu kabari akajya hasi. She was gunned down.
Pie. She's a nobody, right?
Umwana yararenganaga.
Just a casualty of street war.
Byo byose ni bya bishobora kujya ku mutwe uramutse utemeye kuvuga bagenzi bawe. Ukabavuga urataha amahoro.
Expression change.
1 kilo fairly fucking average cocaine, 15 to 20. Possession of
Kiro kimwe twagufatanye gishobora kuba waracuruje nka 20 cyangwa 50.
So resisting arrest.
No kwanga byonyine to resist arrest, kwanga gufatwa. Ukabanza kutwirukanza ukanyeruka naturwanya.
That's another 6.
Ni ikindi cyaha. Myaka iraza kukubana myinshi.
Online is.
Utekerezeho.
Of course, Detective Hines here is just going by the book.
Nabo kandi baramutse bafashwe mwibuke mwese ko mwahujwe n'inyungu.
He's I'll go and sell a little bit of this coke on the streets. Take the family to Alton Towns with the proceeds.
Wisubirire mu handi urebe ko wakwigendera ukagenda amahoro.
Bitch to whack you in your prison cell. Not 2 days.
Cyangwa tugushyire muri prison cell. Nyuma amafera beto.
To my fucking eyes, son.
Bagenzi bawe bagenda uzarebe ko ari no muzigira aho wicaye ngo ahicare. Utekerezeho. Urakuvuga na lawyer wanjye, lawyer na avoka.
You ain't OJ fucking Simpson.
Na lawyer ufite.
The way you're getting out of this is through me.
Kugira ngo soke hano nijye nyine abyembere.
It's for Plush nightclub.
We want a lot more than that.
Nta numwe wigeze kubona tukusana, nta numwe wigeze kubona twirukanse.
Every deal has gone down. Every deal is about to go down.
Bitekerezeho uranga kuvuga.
The firms you're dealing with.
Nukuvuga ngo wapfiriye muri accident turimo kwirukankana.
Chosen one. I want it all.
Shaka ubufasha bwawe.
Everything, and I mean every fucking thing.
Tubwire byose byose.
About cutting you some sort of deal.
Turumvikana nawe.
Fucking way, man.
Look at me, you silly cunt.
Wa muswa.
You have a chance to do two things. Reduce your sentence and clear your conscience.
Gabanya igifungo ugomba guhabwa wisubire mu muryango wawe. Kigabo menya cyaremeye ko baje kukirekura mu nyuma. Bagenzi bacyo kibatangayo. Kubatanga na kindi police igomba gufata no kubakurura iyo babonye witness umuntu uzatanga ubuhamyi. Nicyo cyambere bishimira. Nabatanze bo kapfu. Kicho. Tanga buhamya nta kindi police bayifuza. Niba bajyana mu rukiko nakazaza kuza gushinja. Wibuke neza bari abapolisi nibo bivugiraga. Abanyabyobwenge bamwe barapfa abandi ntumenya aho bavuye n'abandi bakaza. Yaje muri bagenzi be.
The non-smoker. That's what happened.
Nari mu modoka igikapu barakijyana nuko byagenze.
Miles, man. You boys are lucky. Because right now, my lungs feel like they've been through a cheese grater.
Maybe we're just faster than you, Finn.
You wanna race Rage? Shut the fuck up.
Twari mu kamodoka kamwe. Muceceke mwese. Niwe wabuze igikapu.
Fucking Brody.
Brody.
So where's the food, blood?
Igikapu twakibuze.
Fuck, do you mean the food's gone?
Bukongo bwagiye. Funga umudomo wa kigoryo. You come back
in the chase. It must have dropped.
You dropped? Fucking idiot!
Ibi ni icyo
How much this gonna cost?
Uza amafaranga nangaye twahombye.
I almost got shot. You want to blame someone? You was the one that mashed up the ride.
Shaka kugira ugaya niwe watwaye nabi imodoka baradukurikirana.
Like some sket with our pussy out her door.
Yaza kubatari wewe wamuswa.
Clean away blood. You drop a key in her. You're supposed to go back for that shit.
Wajugunye ikiro, icyo kiro wari gusubira ukajya kugitoragura.
For a breath that would have been on me.
How about your boys giving me a fucking break, eh?
Fuck you, bitch. What? You gonna back him now? Cause you're
Uretse gutonga nateka nawe wagikobwa.
Good and proper.
You're all fucked up.
Niwe wabiteye.
Your simple task. Go down to Bristol, deliver a key, get paid, come back.
Nabahaye ikintu cyoroshye nabaye ubutumwa bworoshye mbaye ikiro ndababwira mugende mu kigezeyo mugaruke.
You. Fuck you.
Kirabatuka bose.
I'm out of there.
Vuyano kwanza jewe, I'm out of here. Tubaguye mukana. Kobwa ngo yabahaye inshingano zoroshye. Bageze ikiro cy'urumogi, ikiro cya cocaine, bongere bagaruka ibintu bitungana. Ubu watwaye ni wabanje gukora amakosa. Nuri yakora amakosa yo guta icyo kiro hasi, kumbe ntabwo ari ikiro gusa yataye. Ahubwo polisi bariho. Polisi bariho. Ho! Raka. Guys are there. Abapolisi muri aho baketse umunyabyobwenge hose bagomba kugerayo. Baje biteguye. N'igiti. Nyano babarangiye abandi niba atari bya bindi. N'ibiti barabizana. Ni hakurya abandi bahaho n'igiti.
Yeah, man, it's me. Yeah, open up. You don't want to buy. It's Camelot, you silly cunt. Open up, you've won the fucking lottery. Get open the fucking door or not?
What? We're not coming out.
Fucking door? I'm gonna smash the fucking cunning thing in.
Warucitse mu rugo arimo kugenda ngo wayamenya ko polisi yaje inzira yiruka. Igiti nta mikino yari abapolisi bagushaka barakubona mutera ipingu muginga. Yes, check anyway. Police! Police! Police!
Let me see your fucking face. Yeah, fucking what? You ain't fucking fly. You're a fucking fly. Hold. Don't tell me you're fucking. Calm down, you cunt.
Polisi. Uruwa bavumbura wese rumugiro ragenda rugabanyuka tu. Niga muramujyana Emani. Wangu ni watu wangu nawe mumujyana. Numu footballer. Bitch. Police. Derek B.
Back up. Get the fuck out of my face.
Police uri kwega nawe bakagushiramo. What's good?
I'll pop your fucking head open, son.
Baswa bose barimo kwikarakasa polisi hano. Abo yafashe arabacaki. Amoji karagenda kagabanyuka. Cya kigabo cy'umukara cyarabatanze shawo. Dore wa wundi bakoranaga deal wajyanaga rwinshi nawe baraza baramukurura n'ibisore bye. Cyarabatanze shawo. Mwana mudufatangiye cyawangu. Muradufungira iki? Tugende murazabisobanurirwe firi yabarabamanura.
David Brumby. Yeah, you're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
You're coming in too. Yeah, fuck he says that. Says me, you fucking.
Kigabo cy'umukara cyarabatanze shawo.
Fuck you, back me off.
Ngabaye iki?
For a long fucking way.
Mufunga gutyo mwemwe mufunga abantu cyane amategeko afunga abantu. Abategeko aradushinja iki?
You just fucked it up. And get back against the fucking wall.
Turabanza tujya nyuma tumuze kuvumbura niba atari ikibazo.
These pit bulls with you, Brumby.
Don't look at me, officer. I can't control them any more than you can.
Get on your feet, you stupid cunt. You just bought yourself another year for resisting arrest.
Really?
Turagufunga ntabwo tugushinja icyaha cyo kubanza ko.
That's the case. At least I fucked up your lunch.
Waje gufatwa byemewe.
Let's watch your backs.
Boss baskuye.
Turn the fuck around!
Dukira we n'aba boss barabajyana. Nta mikino ihari. Urucuruza kamogi. Kigabo cy'umukara cyatanze abagabo. Cyatanze abantu shaho. Kuruka mugiga no twakoze iki twakoze jya hasi muginga sana
Ray, just chill, blood. What? So what, you got a fuck?
Mwana mwituraza twakoze iki mugabo w'umukara yatanze bagenzi be bose babamariye bro niga niki niki wa niki asi ya muracyumva mwana nkubisivi mu ngasira kandi ibintu byo riba mu ngasira Raka.
Let me guess, you didn't find nothing, yeah?
See, mama fera betu. Wigira kaganga mu minsi mike bakakunagayo. Kaza koro gaca bugufi. Barapoye nk'abandi bose batangira kuganira inyuma mafera betu.
You be kissing my ass and calling, I'm begging me for respect.
Na wundi muswa bikoze atari mugenzi wacu mu minsi mike rwose azadusaba imbabazi.
Mate. So you're already fucked.
Well and truly fucked.
Mwarangirishwe. You have already been fucked.
Friend, we're going down for triple murder.
Nta kindi mugenzi wanyu rero baduhaye.
Bullshit, man.
Uwo numwanda. Urabona twarose nawo mubase.
I got alibi, yeah, and I got witness, you smug fuck.
Wikwigira umusku.
Just bluffing, but this.
Tubwira ibyuzura agabanyirizwa ibihano zakatirwa mu rukiko twebwe turandika. Abana ibyo babwiye nibyo bandi.
About the witness.
That's right, fucker.
Umutanga bamya ni mugenzi wanyu bari muri business namwe.
Up in court and point you out.
He's looking forward to it.
Nuko bimeze ntabwo ari mwebwe gusa twafashe nabo baranguza twabafashe.
You can call him now. For all the good he's gonna do, you might start calling the fucking queen instead. I'm sure you can get up with some kind of royal pardon.
Ubu nuko mwa mwagiye mu ntambara n'umwunganizi wanyu ni mwabimenye. Umwunganizi kumenya cya kigabo cy'umukara cyasigaye inyuma yarabimenye maze arababara. Abazwa n'ukuntu cyagiye kuba.
Just land on my phone, come and bring up a lawyer.
Jibu afite uburenganzira bwo guhamagara kuri telefone. Imboye bifite uburenganzira barakwereka ka gakobwa bakorana.
Who is this?
Ninde?
It's me, Push.
Ni jewe Push.
What the fuck is going on?
Ni biki bijya mbere ko mutazi.
Look, don't talk, just listen, yeah? Feds take me a Rage off road.
Felsi yatugamba nibo turi muri police. Wo kongera kuvugana nawe kuko nawe isaha yose police iraza kugufata.
If you think I got anything to do with this, Pushy.
Ibyo vuga urumva nabyezerana.
No, you don't.
Urumva?
Trust me, I know somebody that does.
Nizera aho ndimo kugwamagarira ntabwo ngwamagariye mu rugo rw'ahandi hantu nimukiye. Ko ba police arimo arahamagarira kuri police station baguha uburenganzira bwo guhamagara ukabwira bawe kufunze. We hamagaye umukobwa bakorana.
Because we're in motorbike helmets, Hope.
Niba ari ufite wakora. Shaka uburyo wimuka none aha ko byanze bikunze nashobora kuba yaragutanze. Rero tugambaniye. Nyuma yo kuba mufata.
Grass, you're gonna roll over and use your boy for fuck's sake.
Yeah, well, they must have got to him.
What does a little kid think?
How the fuck?
We must go over. Wait, turaka. Yo gutukana umupolisi amureba ikijisho.
How the fuck should I know?
Chako musku buryo mugenza mutwe twamenya dutukunu yatugambani.
Me and Rage are sitting here staring down the barrel of 3 life sentences.
Ntabwo ari twebwe gusa. Imyaka mike badukatira.
I reckon his story is pure bullshit.
Imyaka itari munsi y'itatu. Hanyuma kandi uwo ni umwanda twebwe tutazemera. Baraza kudutanga niwe wenyine uzadushinja mu rukiko. Niwe eyewitness. Niwe mutangabuhamya kandi nanone atari n'ibyo gusa akaba yarakoranaga nabo muri iyo business.
Maybe not him.
Shaka uko bigenza.
I ain't afraid to talk it out.
Mfite ubwoba ko nakubwira byinshi kuri telefone.
You know how it works. If they ain't got no witness, they ain't got no case against us.
Bitekereza afite ibirego byinshi ashobora kuzadushinja birenze. Wibuke ko atari urumogi gusa twacuruzaga hari n'ibindi twakoze.
Just be listening to me, you know.
Birutana ko wanyumva neza mukobwa. Kobwa karabyumvishe telefone karayikupa n'umujinya mwinshi. Mukaragiye isubirira inyuma y'amafera beto. Be hakuno. Mugambanyi yaraje kureba umukobwa. Uwo yatanze niba nabarimo nibyo ntazi. Zayiru.
Okay, stuff to get Hope. We gotta get you out there.
Nije kurenga tureko twavana. Tujya he?
We gotta get your stuff packed.
Pakira ibyawe byihuse. Go get your stuff. Getting out here. Vana tugende.
There's no time to explain. We gotta get out of there. Everyone's been arrested. Do you want to be next?
What do you want to run away?
Abandi bafashwe bajya ngo nawe ukurikire.
Hope.
Bafashwe bate.
Rage and Pushy are on the inside now.
Rage na Pushy bose barimo indani.
You know what I'm thinking? I reckon the old Bill's got themselves an informant.
Bisa naho hari umugambanyi wabigiyemo.
Talking about.
Uravuga ibiki? Komera icyo kigambanya bwo. Ntabwo bari kumenya naho bari.
It's not what you think. I had no choice.
Naya ni mahirwe nari mfite. I had no choice. Na mahitamo nari mfite. Barambaje ni wagambanye.
Splurted Hope.
Tekereza.
As fast as I could, but
umva.
This young cop won't give up.
Bari bamfatanye ibiyobyabwenge. Napfa kubeshya ko atari ibyanjye.
Wasn't the car crash that brought me?
Nta n'ikindi nakora. Narwanye nabo.
What happened?
What do you mean what happened?
Byagenze bite? Uravuga ibiki ngo byagenze bite?
Driven off the road and locked down by the boys, then they knew everything, Hope, everything. All they needed was a little car stamp.
Icyo nashakaga nanjye ni ukugenda amahoro kuko amaherezo yanjye yari kuzaborera muri gereza. Nawe nk'umutangabuhamya. Ariko sinifuza kujya ngo nzabasange mu nkiko.
That's why I wanted to leave town with you.
Niyo mpamvu ushaka kujya tube twavana tuve mu mujyi.
It was already done when you opened your big fucking mouth.
Ibyo wakoze byonyine birahagije ko warangije gukora amakosa.
You mean nothing to me now.
Ntacyo kuri gihe ukivuze.
Bosses ain't worth loving. I can't even look at you.
Kwa kore ugenjeje bariya nanjye babingenzereza utyo.
I never told him a thing about you.
Kobwa. Mujinya. Yaratambutse ngo agiye kucoke. Kintu mu mugongo. Ere igiki? Une igiki? Une igiki? Maraso menshi cyane. Chuma. Yewe. Mugabo Chuma umukobwa yarabimwe nawe yarwanye n'umutima koga nawe yarwanaga no kwitabara n'abagenzi be cyara batanze sha benshi cyane barabakurura shaho ikindi umukobwa yagomba gukora kwaro kuva muri uwo mujyi akareba ko yakwerekera gusa mbere yuko agenda barakwereka polisi babandi bari bavuganye nawe na Mukarage policeman on duty na polisi mukazi.
Yes, I'm jogging on early morning run.
None nari nabonye umuguzi urumva niba ufite nk'ibiro bingaho ngaho ugiye wazana nkakwere kurumva. Baba polisi. Niyo yivugiraga ngo ibiyobyabwenge biragenda. Abanyabiyobyabwenge babahagarika abandi bakaza.
Well, I'm not sure. Saw him at the station with you, Detective Haynes, last night. That's why I called you first.
Niyo mpamvu nagwamagaye bwa mbere na mbere nari kugira ngo ubanze urebe ukuntu ibintu bimeze. Wa mugabo wababwiraga ibyo yababwiye byose.
Fucking piss.
Aba bafunze makuru bakibonye kuko wagomba gutanga makuru mu rukiko yaciyeho.
Anything else? We've run the number plate. The car was stolen in Chelsea a couple of weeks ago. Doesn't look like we're going to get any good prints.
abanyabiyobyabwenge twakurikiye mu byumweru bike bihise mugenzi wabo wari wemeye kugira ngo aze kugira icyo atubwira
Don't have anything.
ntabwo byamugendekeye neza ubu nta kimenyetso na kimwe dufite cyabashinja mu nkiko
You've got no choice.
amayani mahitamo mufite rero ni ukurekura abo basore bari muri gereza bagataha we muratashe sha
No, you know what I mean? Oh, man. Listen. Officer's right, thanks for everything, yeah, and, you sure don't want my statement on that?
mwarakoze ku bwa byose kudufata neza nta kindi mwumva mwadushinjara turatashe twebwe
That waitress, you know, that shit just breaks my heart.
natubwiye ibya wa waitress kagakobwa kari mu barasekas kagakobwa kari muri club ka Silvaga
Everything.
abagize umujinya subira mu biro byabo gusa gusubira mu biro ahubwo mwebwe inama mbagira muzatekereze neza hanyuma nimurangiza
I don't suppose you'd like to tell me who it was, would you?
muzaze mumbwire ukuntu ibintu byagenze sibyo
Thought not.
ubona abiyemeraho ni boss niwe ubitanga maze abandi bakajya gucuruza cyane cyane uzaze kunsura wowe cyane cyane wowe
Clerk, rest of the paperwork. I've got to catch up on something.
jya mu bijyanye no gukora mu mapuro nanjye ibindi ndabikoraho
Yeah, job well done.
twasohotse kare twibereye kuri byeri twasohotse kare kare
On the outside now.
kino kamogi kikanywera n'abantu bari ntabwo kibitinya reka da
What did you just fucking say to me?
Look, we're back in business, girl.
Not with me, you ain't.
dusubire muri business uravuga
I'm
iki
celebrating your release and you're sorely mistaken.
ntabwo nshobora kongera gukora ikosa habe na gatoya saa yose menye ko bumukurikiwe kurusha uko byari bimeze kuvana mbere
Not now.
ntabwo ari nonaha kandi na rimwe
Got a little friendly advice to you.
ndabagira inama y'uko mugomba gushaka inzira zanyu mucamo nanjye ngiye kujya mu zanjye hatagira ushaka kwigira intwari nuko bimeze umukobwa yararambiwe no guhura n'ibibazo buri munsi n'abantu bapfa kupiga telefoni ugombaga kwifatira inzira abo bumvaga ko business bayikomeza ngo bacunjwe kurusha uko kuva na mbere byari bimeze
Hope just needs time to just cool off.
ngaba barimo kuva mwana twere tugende twicururize sibyo ko gukangwa n'abari abakominari kumba abapolisi babarekuye nabo bababaye kubera ko n'abandi bagiye bapfa kandi bamwe bishwaga n'aba urabitekerezaho iki hari wavuze ngo ugiye gukora mu mapuro nanjye ngiye gushaka uburyo ngenzamo abanyabyaha
I'm past me the split, man.
mukuru nywera noneho ku muhanda nta mikino ihari
Boy, you should have seen the look on the boy of his face, you know, when they told me the witness had disappeared. Oh, blood out of
kuvuga ngo agomba kudushinja yarabuze nta kindi twebwe twikomereza akazi kacu
Yo, don't get stuck on names, you know.
wowe kugerageza kuzavuga izina ry'umuntu ahubwo nayacu tuyahindure akarukubita urumogi
Fucking buried.
bitekerezeho uyashyinguye
So what do we do now?
I'll tell you what we're going to do.
mwere icyo turi bukorere
Over Lambeth and get some skits and bust some crystal.
tarajya kure barabahaye that barabahaye hari umugi bagishaka mu mujyi urumogi mukangeza abana b'abantu arangije kubaha arongerana n'abegera basi ciao gakobwa kabagira inama bana mwigendere kandi mugende mugiye burundu banze kumva goy
Yeah.
Gone ahead and cut that grass for you.
You sure you mowed the whole lawn?
Don't you worry about a thing.
That's good to know. I won't forget it. You can consider the blind eye well and truly turned.